Meaning of livery stable.
Livery stable.
Livery stable.
Livery stable.
Livery stable. A livery stable is a place where horses and other animals are kept and rented out to people, especially for transportation. In the past, livery stables were very common in cities and towns as a way for people to travel around without owning their own horses or carriages. The stable provided a place for people to rent horses and carriages, and also to take care of them while they were there. Nowadays, the term livery stable is not used as much because people mostly use cars and other motor vehicles for transportation.